Is it true that the Abrahamic religions, or the Abrahamic God, is the only one who claims to have actually created the universe from nothing? I'm aware there are other gods, obviously, or claims of gods, but something like Thor or Marduk or whoever it is, as far as I'm aware, their story doesn't even include them creating the universe, or time, or existence. Therefore, by definition, they're calling themselves God, but it's lowercase g. They're not actually claiming to be God. They're just powerful creatures or whatever. Or Zeus, another one. I think Zeus is supposed to have created life and the universe and everything, at least not from nothing. And it's interesting when you get that argument that Ricky Gervais seems to be quite fond of. And it's on face value, it's a really good argument. You're like, oh yeah, yeah. And he's saying he only believes in one less God than Christians do, because he doesn't believe in Thor either and all the rest of that. But the point is, nearly all of these, as far as I'm aware, aren't actually claiming to be God at all. They're just characters who are very powerful, who have the title of God.